You, Amy. The man who murdered a local officer in the line of duty learned his fate this afternoon. This was the scene almost a year ago near the Kansas Speedway when a KCK police detective was gunned down. Detective Brad Lancaster was shot and killed while responding to a call of a suspicious man at the Hollywood casino. Today, Curtis Ayers, who pleaded guilty to pulling the trigger, was sentenced in a Wyandotte County courtroom.
And family and friends of that murdered detective were also in that courtroom. Ayers will spend the rest of his life behind bars and will not have the possibility of parole. KCTV5's Caroline Sweeney is live with more on details of what happened today. Caroline.
Well, Ellen, like you said, Curtis Ayers, the man who admitted to killing Kansas City, Kansas Detective Brad Lancaster, starts his life sentence tonight. Ayers was sentenced this morning in a Wyandotte County court, and earlier this year in January, he entered a guilty plea. Now, that plea took the death penalty off the table, but the district attorney here says the judge granted as much time under the law as he could. Mark Dupree says Ayers will spend the rest of his life in prison without the possibility of parole, plus another 492 months for his 9 other charges. Those charges include kidnapping and aggravated battery. After the hearing, Dupree stressed this killing could have been prevented.
What if the mother, the father, the friend, the cousin of this defendant spoke up and said, I have a knucklehead who is roaming the streets of Wyandotte County with guns and drugs? If someone spoke up, just maybe we could have prevented this from happening.
The courtroom was full of family and friends of the Lancaster family. During the hearing, KCK Deputy Police Chief Michael York spoke about Lancaster. He said the detective was scary, smart, and dedicated to serving his country and helping other people. Now, earlier today, we also learned that Curtis Ayers did not address the court. He also has pending charges in Jackson County from an incident in May of 2016. Live in Kansas City, Kansas, Caroline Sweeney, KCTV5 News.